EGR Fender Flares for your 2019 and up Dodge Ram are designed and manufactured to OEM standards with the highest quality materials on the market. Installation is simple and doesn't require any drilling or modification to your truck. You can simply fit it and quit it. If you'll be painting your EGR Fender Flares, ensure the painting process is finished before installing the flares onto your truck. These basic hand tools are all you need to complete the installation. Start your install by cleaning the front and rear of your truck where the fender flares will be installed with a light soapy water solution, and rinse with water and allow the truck to dry. We recommend installing the front fender flares first, one at a time. Bolt each of the provided nuts and bolts together in the provided holes with your 3/16 Allen wrench and 1/2-inch combination wrench. Once the nuts and bolts are tightly installed, use the supplied alcohol wipes to clean the rear surface of the flare where the rubber gasket material will be adhered. After you have thoroughly cleaned the surface of dirt and debris, peel back 2 inches of the protective red adhesive covering and firmly press it against the fender flare starting at one end. Continue to peel the red adhesive cover and press the rubber seal against the flare, moving a few inches at a time. Install the rubber gasket material to all the surfaces that come into direct contact with the paint on your vehicle. After you have installed the rubber seal, use scissors to clip the excess. Be sure to double-check the area of your fenders is free of any debris before moving forward. Turn the steering wheel of your vehicle so the front tire is facing outward to give you better access to the inside of the fender well. Note the 8 slots in the flare that correspond with factory-installed hex screws in the wheel arch. Remove and retain these screws for later reinstallation. Using the previously removed hex head screws, loosely install the fender flare beginning at the front of the flare and working to the rear. Ensure the cutout shape fits around your factory mud spat against the vehicle surface. Once you're satisfied with the position of your fender flare, completely tighten the 8 hex screws. Repeat the previous steps on the opposite side for the remaining front fender flare. Now that the 2 front fender flares are installed, we can move on to the rear fender flares. We will be installing the rear fender flares one at a time, just like we did with the front flares. Hold the fender flare toward the vehicle in the position of best fit. Note that the 5 slots in the flare that correspond with the factory-installed hex screws, as well as the 3 that correspond with vacant holes in the wheel arch, and remove the screws and retain them for later reinstallation. Insert the gray screw plug into the vacant holes at the top of the wheel arch to ensure that the raised head of the screw plug runs parallel with your vehicle's body. Position your fender flare so that the top 3 slots engage with the raised head of the gray screw plugs. Using Phillips screws, loosely install the flare into position. Using the previously removed hex screws, completely secure it at all 8 screw locations. Now your vehicle looks better than ever thanks to EGR's high-quality, simple-to-install, no drilling required fender flares.